Hey everybody, my name is Chris.Buystedt. I'm with Guaranty RV in Junction City right now. We're actually at the Lane County Fairgrounds at our show and wanting to show you this beautiful Forest River Heritage Glen trailer. It's a ultralight, so it's nice and lightweight, which is really fantastic, but it is big on amenities. And it is the 272 rear living. It does have a big outdoor kitchen, which is nice, and a swing out barbecue. You want to come check it out? I'll show it to you. So this is a double slide out. This is one of your slide outs. It has the kitchen in it. Outdoor kitchen over here. Got a nice gas grill. It's on a swing arm that comes right out. So this is totally set up for your camping needs and having a great area out on this side of the trailer to do some outdoor living. One of the things I love about this trailer is these solid steps. Check that out. Nice and wide, nice and sturdy. Now I'm going to start right here in the bedroom because this is something that's really special, guys. Of course, you know, you've got a really nice quality mattress. Definitely got all of the space underneath. They even give you some extra storage units down in here that you can keep things in. You've got all of your wardrobe area. Lots of storage up in here. It was very unusual to actually see a wardrobe and a dresser inside a trailer like this. And so it's a lot of extra room for shoes and clothes and everything that you would need, which is fantastic. Coming right along to the bathroom, look at this bathroom. It's quite nice. A lot of good storage in there, a surround in the shower, couple skylights. It's really a fantastic shower. And everyone loves a trailer that's got a lot of counter space because if you have to start making sandwiches, things like that, you need a place to put things, and here you've got that. You can put an Instant Pot or a coffee pot, whatever you need. You've got a great kitchen for that. A little drying rack here, a little sprayer, nice fridge, got your freezer. Look at this Furrion microwave. Put your stove and your oven. Really nice kitchen setup. Nice Furrion shroud here with the fan. Everybody loves this part. Every time I show people this, they love it because you got the double slide out. So what you have is a slide out with all your kitchen going this way, in your dining room and some extra seating going this way. Makes this nice big great room, which is fantastic. You actually can sleep people right in this. This is a pull-out bed, so it pulls out. You've got super comfortable chairs. And guys, this is what I tell everybody when you're looking at an RV. Think one thing that you need to look at is it a comfortable place? Is there a comfortable place for me to sit? Sometimes in the Northwest, you spend a little more time inside than what you think you're going to, depending on the weather. And in this one, you would love it. Nice big TV here. All your surround sound system right here. You've got your speakers up here, really neat. And right down here, an electric fireplace, which is great because if you're plugged in, you don't have to use your LP. You can be using the electricity from your generator or from a plug-in. So wonderful trailer. I would love to show this one to you. We've got several of these Heritage Glens. They're really fantastic and they got lots of great layouts. This would be a perfect trailer for you, and we've got several to show you. Give me a call. My name is Chris. My number is 541-636-7878.